Hello and welcome back. So in the previous video I promised you that I was going to use this video to show you how to write your source code in a test file and start a Python interpreter in a mode where it is going to read the instructions from the test file. However, before I teach you that, I want to teach you how to quit the interactive interpreter that we started in the previous session. Okay, so it is as simple as typing quit and then you open and close brackets and you bring a semicolon and then you press enter, and this is how you quit the Python interpreter that was running interactively. And if you look carefully, you can see that the prompt now in the terminal is different from the prompt when we were in running Python in interactive mode. And so you want to know exactly where you are, okay, because you cannot issue Python commands in your terminal. The terminal doesn't understand that. So you want to make sure you have started Python in interactive mode by issuing the command Python, and then when you are done using it interactively, you want to do justice by issuing this command quit, open and close bracket, semicolon, and that is how it is going to quit. So thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.